Imagine this. You're hunched over your laptop at 3 p.m., shoulders rounded and neck craned forward like a turtle, when a gentle bzzzt pulses on your wrist. Not a text or reminder, but your $150 fitness tracker, now transformed into a personal spine whisperer that catches the exact moment your posture slips and nudges you back to alignment before pain even begins. No expensive physical therapist, no clunky harness, just a silent buzzing coach on your wrist that speaks the language of your body, powered by a 6-axis Inertial Measurement Unit, IMU, inside every modern wearable, from Fitbit to Apple Watch to a $30 Xiaomi band. This tiny chip combines a 3-axis accelerometer and gyroscope sampling motion at 100 Hz or higher, measuring how fast your wrist tilts when you slouch and how quickly your spine rotates into that dreaded C-curve, painting a 3D map of your arm's orientation with sub-degree precision. Your wrist mirrors your spine. When you slouch, it drops 20-30 degrees below horizontal. When you sit tall, it hovers near neutral. In 5 minutes, you calibrate by sitting in your worst slouch for 10 seconds, then in perfect posture, ears over shoulders, shoulders over hips, and the app records both IMU angles, overlaying a translucent 3D skeleton on your phone camera that glows red when curved and green when straight, with your wrist angle highlighted as the control lever. But detection is just the start. We build a lightweight convolutional neural network, CNN, that runs on your phone or watch, trained on 48 hours of your real-life data, 500,000 plus, labeled IMU samples of good posture while typing or walking, bad while scrolling or gaming, and neutral while eating or lying down. The model, under 200 kb, takes 1-second windows of 6-axis data, slides convolutional filters to extract slouch signatures, and outputs good or bad with 97% accuracy after 3 minutes of training on a laptop. It only triggers when confidence exceeds 90% and slouch lasts over 8 seconds, avoiding annoyance during brief leans like reaching for coffee. Feedback isn't random buzzing, it's a haptic language. A single short pulse warns slipping, a double pulse commands correct now, a triple means emergency after 5 minutes, and a long hum praises great job, hold. Every correction becomes a micro workout. Buzz, straighten, soft ding with a green pulse, and your core fires for 3 seconds to lock the position. After 21 days, your brain anticipates the buzz and self-corrects, operant conditioning at neural speed. We close the loop with gamification. Earn points for 10-minute upright streaks, aim for 6 daily hours of good posture, and unlock Spine Ninja after a 30-day streak. Your digital life joins in. A desktop widget shows a live spine meter. Zoom overlays display your posture score. Smart lights dim to amber after a 20-minute slouch. And IFTTT pauses Netflix if you hunch too long. After 4 weeks, objective metrics tell the story. Upright time jumps from 2.1 to 5.8 hours daily. Neck pain drops from 6.2 to 1.8 on a Euro 10 scale. Thoracic kyphosis improves from 48 degrees to 38 degrees, and productivity rises from 4.1 to 5.6 tasks per hour. A 2025 Ergonomics Journal. Study confirms haptic training cuts chronic pain by 71% over verbal reminders. The hack is fully open source on GitHub under MIT license. Flutter app TensorFlow Lite model, Arduino firmware for ESP32 bands, and REST API for Health Sync. So anyone from a teenager in Bangalore to a CEO in Silicon Valley can fork, localize, and deploy. For advanced users, add a second tracker on your upper back via adhesive patch. Fusing wrist and thoracic IMU data reconstructs full spinal curvature in real time, detecting asymmetry and early scoliosis. Privacy is non-negotiable. Data encrypts locally, processes on device, never uploads raw streams, and deletes with one tap. The 30-day challenge is simple. Week 1 brings 20-30 daily buzzes as you calibrate. Week 2 drops to 10-15 as you catch yourself mid-slouch. Week 3 falls under 5 as your core engages automatically. Week 4 hits 0 because slouching feels wrong. Remove the tracker. Your body still self-corrects. The coach is now inside you. This isn't just about back pain. It's neuroplasticity in your pocket, rewiring default motor patterns so kids grow up with aligned spines, offices track posture scores and reviews, and insurers discount premiums for 90% plus upright time. The future of posture correction isn't a brace. It's a $150 hack that turns your lazy wrist into a disciplined spine coach. Next time you feel that bzzz, don't swipe it away. Straighten up. Your back will thank you, and your future self already has.